Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, April 22nd, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. We had another good day today. You know, it's great to have 2 days in a row. We're on a roll. Very good markets today, just really good markets. You know, we had a congested period yesterday, pretty much overall, and so when the market took off, where the Dow was up over 100 points today, and we did a lot of buying. I didn't count it because I think we get in about 25 positions here, and you know, we really didn't have anything that was terrible. Most of the things were positive. We closed out almost $10,000 in closed out trades today, and we are carrying over $11,000 in open trade equity. So, you know, add it up, we got over $20,000 total. Now, that's the good news. The bad news is this: at one point today, we were actually up to $35,000 on that. So we you know, markets pulled back some, and we didn't get all those profits by the close, but the good news is we're still holding all that stuff. So all that stuff, we can still get back into that higher profit level if we have just halfway decent markets tomorrow. And I'll show you on the charts why I think we could. It's a possibility we could have a good day tomorrow. Anyway, good day. Dow closed up 65 points. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here. Let me open this a little here to see today's action a little better. You know, I told you yesterday this very congested area that we had yesterday, that's about 3 days in a row getting more and more congested, and that would probably result in a breakout and probably to the upside. And that is what happened today. We had good push up here. You know, obviously we're way above the red line now, and when the Dow got up here, we were over 100 points. It did pull back at the end, so it only closed up 65 points. Now, here's my thinking on this, however, is that we've been seeing this kind of pattern just over and over and over again. You've heard me bitching about it for the last 6 weeks, where the market gets up high and then sellers come in and sell it. I think this pattern has become overused, and I personally think that traders that went in and may have been shorting the market up here were very foolish. And what is possible, I can't promise it, but what is possible to happen tomorrow is that this market resumes its upside movement, and it puts a horrible short squeeze on these guys. And there's a lot of them in there thinking that you know, the name of this game is to wait for the market to go up and then sell it. And I think we've kind of worn out that pattern, and I don't know that it's going to continue to work that way. It is, and one of the reasons I say that is we're starting to make money again, and that isn't the pattern we played. Our patterns, I think, is starting to come back. Anyway, we did pretty well today. I'll show you just a couple of the trades that were kind of interesting today. We had a lot of good trades. This first one, this is in SunEdison, and we bought that today, and we got in here, you know, the first hour of the day. It went up some, then came back and went against us. But I was watching it when it hit this. It had this 15-minute bar in here. This thing was just unbelievable. The volume that came into this market during this bar. And fortunately, we were already in, so we could just sit back and watch it and be happy. But obviously made a lot of movement, and we are holding over $4,000 in open trade equity in SunEdison, so that really looks good to me. I'll show you, this is my old favorite Tesla motors, and we had bought this yesterday. Didn't do too much on the close, but it really took off today while we were already long, and then it pulls back and we get out of it. And of course, that wouldn't be a terrible place to get out. We still made well over $3,000 on Tesla motors, but what I like about our system is that we don't give up on these, and we jump back into this long just a few minutes after we got out, and we are holding about another $1,000 in open trade equity in Tesla. So we're in for a ride with Tesla motors here. Anyway, good day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.